Error code 5050 indicates a print go spacing error. Here is how to resolve it. First, reduce the character width, then increase the print go spacing value. Increase the PG distance in the settings to ensure enough space between two print triggers.